Hey, what's going on, guys? Travis for Preston here. I'm in another day in Jordan. I'm in Qais, right?
Qais.
Qais. Qais.
This is for the Muslim, the Ottoman.
Ottoman?
Yeah, Qais. The Roman, Gadara.
Gadara. Gadara.
Gadara.
I'm learning. I'm trying. So it's going to be my little tour guide right here. He's going to show me around. All right?
Washington, D.C.
All right. So let's see what
This is
we can see.
The Ottoman.
Oh, it's Ottoman?
Ottoman house. Qais. You come here, the tours for the view. Palestine, Syria, Lebanon, the lake up there.
Oh, okay. So we can see all that from here?
Yeah.
It's like 3 countries, I think you said. That's pretty dope. So this is about a 2-hour drive from the capital of Amman.
قراوة هذا مش قرابتك كنا نشوف واحد اسمه قرابتي
I know one thing, they love their steps.
هذا جوز اخت سعاد انا اهم شيء شيرين تظهر سير look the view the mountain this is the mountain of Tabor.
Okay.
Where is the mountain? Right small. We have the city.
Oh, that's a city.
City Nazareth living Jesus. Palestine, Nazareth.
Palestine.
And look, the Steve Galilee, the lake.
The lake.
The lake. And look in the street.
Yep.
Syria and behind Lebanon.
Wow, y'all see that? Syria and then Lebanon.
South Lebanon.
South Lebanon. Let me change my arm. Wow.
The mountain, this is the mountain of Tabor. This is living in Nazareth. The mountain, 3 kilometers, we have the city Nazareth living Jesus.
Jesus?
Jesus living in Nazareth.
Nazareth. Oh, Nazareth.
Yeah.
Oh, duh. Nazareth. Okay. Hold on, let me take some pictures, guys. Let me show you some views. All right, so coming back downstairs off of that view, I'm in a Bedouin, I guess, house. I think it's called a Fahela house, but this is a Bedouin. So you can see he tied my headdress in a traditional manner. So they have some writing in here that you could read and learn about the Bedouin. And like I said, I'm gonna have a pop-up. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment, follow me on my Instagram for some of that BTS and behind the scenes. All right, so let me show you around. All right, guys, so right next door to the Bodin house, they have a little room with little things that you can learn about. I guess the way they make the stone arches, some of the wooden beams, the iron L beams they have in there, and then the crossbolts. All right, so you can get that. And then they have, I guess, the significance of Al-Hara al-Farouk. So you can learn about that. And the courtyards are vernacular Jordanian narrative. It's like an echo. It's crazy. You can leave the village and the relocation of the housing units. So the Bedouin, I guess, used to migrate kind of like nomads. And I think, from what I'm learning here for the last couple of days, is that literally they are starting to become more stationary. So, and these are some of the pictures of the surrounding areas. All right, so one thing I do want to show you, let me try to adjust this camera. So when you come in the center, you can't miss it, is obviously not the scale map, but it's like a 3D ROM. So right here, back here in the main part of the city is the Ottoman. I think he said that's about 1,000 years old, and then, or maybe that's 3,000, and then the Roman theater right here is either 1,000 or 3,000. So I can't remember which one he said, but essentially that's what it is. So, all right, so let's go ahead and skedaddle. Okay, so right before you get to the actual courtyard, the Bedouin used to go in here, and they used to have their fire in here. I guess to eat and keep warm.
And the bread.
Oh, and the bread. The bread is delicious. So yeah, that's really neat. All right. All right, so
Hello, sir.
now we have left the courtyard.
Here, this is the castle. Okay. The theater and temple and the ship's Roman. Okay. And here, the city. Come here for the view. The sign, Jerusalem.
Jerusalem?
Jerusalem, yeah, for the sign, the picture on the sign.
Yeah.
We'll live in the hotel in Amman.
I'm at the Crown Plaza.
Yeah, Amman.
Yeah, Crown Plaza in Amman.
Hello,
Great
friend.
hotel.
Look, no tourists.
No tourists.
No tourists, just one Washington, D.C. Hello, friend.
Oh,
Jerusalem,
it's that way.
Wadi Araba, down. Ajloon, Castle. Jarash Amman on the side. And this is Arabia Saudi, Mecca.
Mecca. Oh.
3 countries, Palestine, Jordan, Saudi Arabia.
Oh, okay.
Jerusalem, over there.
Okay. Wow. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the views. All right, guys, so what you just heard him, so you got a sign right here that kind of points to the 3 countries. So Jerusalem is off in that direction over here.
Wadi Araba.
Wadi
down.
Araba is down there.
Ajloon, street after the mountain.
After the mountain.
And Jarash Amman. And Arabia Saudi, Mecca.
Okay, and then Mecca that way. So yeah, so Saudi Arabia is that way. We're in Jordan. And then you have Palestine is that way. All right, so once you come from the bomb house, you come to these big stones right here. So this is the Ottoman side that I was talking about earlier. And directly behind me, right there is the Roman theater. And like I said, that's Palestine and Nazareth right there. So this is an impromptu situation as far as the tour guide, because I definitely was going to walk it by myself, but I'm glad, since I do a lot of solo traveling, I need these pictures. So discuss a price with whoever approaches you. So, but it's kind of cool. I got this whole place to myself. So,
Look, friend, this is the theater. The Roman. This is the town for the volcanic. This is the basalt.
wow.
And street, Roman road.
So this is awesome.
The theater.
All right, guys. So we got to the temple. You can see the lake, the Jordanian flag. Down below, there's I guess complimentary of the United States. They helped build the aqueduct down there. All right, so we're gonna keep making our way down.
Welcome, sir. This is the Golan Heights, the Golan before Syria and now in Israel. And look behind. After the Golan, we have the mountain, the black. This is the South Lebanon, the Mount Hermon. And looking down here, the green. The green, this is the river Yarmouk, the border Jordan and Israel. Before Syria and now in Israel. We have the bridge. This is the bridge before Istanbul, Haifa and Arabia, Saudi. The lake, Steve Galilee, Tiberia. Tiberia before Palestine, Syria, Lebanon, and now all in Israel. Jesus, the work in Tiberia, and we have the city. This is the city Tiberia. And look here, the mountain Tabor. This is the mountain before the Jesus, the work over there for the school. The mountain, and right, the city Nazareth, living in Palestine. Washington, D.C., America. Welcome. Jordan, Palestine, Tiberia, Syria, Lebanon, 4 countries. Welcome in America. Hot spring for the water, very hot. After, before the Roman, the water for the clean, the water here, and the king and Saddam here for the clean, and come here the water and down. And finish the clean and down the water. This is the chariot for the truck in Roman. This is all the chariot in the street, 3 kilometers. And semestry for the Roman. Here the chariot. Welcome in Proston and welcome in family Proston and a friend in Washington, D.C. The Proston now for the Jordan. Look, the Golan Heights, the Golan before Syria and now in Israel. Proston, look, the White House in the street. This is the border. The border, Israel and Syria. 5 kilometers the border in Syria before the bomb city Dara and no good Bashar al-Assad. Boston, after we have the mountain, the black. This is the South Lebanon. Look Boston and down the green. This is the river Yarmouk, 7 meter. Jordan, Palestine, Jordan, Syria. 5 kilometer here, the border in Israel. Boston, this is Jordan, Syria, Israel. Before Syria and now in Israel, here the hot spring in name Agadir and the lake. Jesus, the work in Tiberias and for the mineral water. Boston, we have the city. This is the city in Tiberias. After for the city, Samach, Safad, and all in Israel. Down the flag, we have the mountain. This is the mountain Tabor. After the Jesus, the work up there. And we have the city in Nazareth. Welcome, Boston and Jordan. Jordan to friend in America. I am in the heart. Washington, D.C. and Virginia.
All right, so we just made our way further down the street, as you can see.
This is the road. In the street is small, and we'll come back for the shops Roman and the theater and the eco. This is the road, same to same in Jarash. In Jarash, in granite, no puzzle.
This is the same in Jerash?
Yeah.
Oh,
In Jarash, very big.
really?
Yeah.
All right, guys. I think I'm gonna end it right here, but like I said, thank you for watching, stopping by, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Would you want to come here and visit my friend? What's your name, my friend?
My name is Amjad. I am living in Palestine.
Yeah.
Welcome in America. Same to same.
All right, guys. Charles and Preston. See you guys next Monday. Peace.